Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are going to introduce the Arabic alphabet from the beginning until the end. So inshallah, we are going to name the names of these letters, not the sound, but the name of each letter. So we have the first one, Alif Hamza, or we can call it Alif, Alif Hamza, Alif, Ba. You can see Ba has one dot below, Ba. Then we have Ta, we have Ta. Then we have Fa. Then we have Jim, Ha, and Kha. We have Jim with one dot inside, or we can say below it. Ha does not have any dot. Then we have Kha, Kha. It has one dot above it. Then we have Dal and Dhal, Dal and Dhal. You can see Dal does not have any dot, but Dhal has one dot above it. Then we have Ra, Ra, and we have Za, Ra and Za. Za has one dot above it. Then we have Sin, Sin, and Sheen, Sin and Sheen. Okay, now look at Sheen, it has three dots above it. Then we have Sod, Sod, then Bod, Bod. Okay, Sod and Bod. Then we have Ta, Ta, and Dha, Ta and Dha. This is Ta and this is Ta, Ta. Okay, then we have Ain and Ghain, Ain and Ghain, Ain and Ghain. Then we have Fa, we have Fa with one dot above it. Then we have Qaf, Fa and Qaf. I hope you can see the difference, one dot, two dots. Then we have Kaf, Kaf. Okay, this is Qaf and this is Kaf. Then we have Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon. Then we have Waw, Waw. Then we have Ha, Ha. Then Lam Alif, Lam Alif. This is two letters, Lam and Alif. And inshallah we have our topic about Lam Alif. Inshallah one day when we get a chance, we are going to explain about Lam Alif. Then we have Hamza. And lastly we have Ya with two dots below it. So what we have is Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sod, Bod, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Lam Alif, Hamza. Lastly we have Ya. Inshallah we are going to break them, all of them one by one, or we are going to go through them in a group form. And inshallah see you in the next lesson. Ma'as salama.